Next, it is a mitt on a stick. It is exactly what it is. It is a wash mitt on a stick. RVs, lifted trucks, hard to move people. If you don't want to get all the way up, or if you want to get all the way up and not kill yourself or step on a stool to reach the top, this is a very awesome product. It does have a pad foam interface, so it is super soft, and you are using a high quality wash mitt to clean the surface, so you're not using a harmful brush scratching and swirling the paint. You're actually properly and safely cleaning the paint on those hard to reach areas. It also has a very ergonomic handle with a lot of cushion, so you can actually wash and not have your hands and arms hurt from holding this. So this is awesome for my truck people and the age deficient group where you need a little bit help to reach those hard to reach places.